Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva step by step. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create a free account so you can save your designs and access the templates. On your Canva dashboard, click on Create to create a new design or a project. You can choose any layout that you want to use. For example, create a PowerPoint presentation. You can also make a video. And lastly, you can create your custom size or custom dimensions. Picking the correct size helps your design look clean and professional. Next, browse through Canvas templates on the Templates tab. You can select a ready-made template or you can start with a blank canvas if you want full control. Templates are great for beginners because they're already well designed. For this tutorial, let's go with social media. For this tutorial, let's say I would like to make an Instagram post and would like to explore the templates. There we go. Let's choose a template. This one. So inside the editor, you can click on any text to edit it. You can change the font, the size, color, and spacing from the top menu. So to add more items, use the left sidebar. You can add your own photo or video or any file by uploading it, or go to Elements tab so you can insert any shapes, icons, stickers, elements, and many more. Just drag and drop them into your design. Like this one. So let's try to upload our own image. Let's go back to the Uploads tab. Click on Upload File. So once you uploaded your file, again, drag and drop them into your design. This adds more personal or branded design to your content. When your design is finished, click on the Share button, then go to Download. You can choose your file format like PNG, JPG, PDF, and many more. Then save it to your device or share it directly online. Lastly, some simple design tips. Try to use consistent colors and fonts, explore Canva's free elements, and use grids to align items properly. These small details make your design look more polished. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.